In this video, we are going to see how we can disable the date and time syncing in Windows 11. So let's say that you want to fix the date or time to a specific point for whatever reason. Here's how you can do it. First of all, just open up the control panel and just make sure that you are set to by category view. Click on clock and region, click on date and time. And from here, just click on the internet time, click change settings. And if it is synchronized with the internet time server, you need to uncheck this. Uncheck this, click OK. In the date and time, click on the change time zone. And if it shows some syncing options here that you might see in Windows 10, you can uncheck that as well. Click OK, click OK. Also, just go to the settings. In the start menu, click on time and language. Click on date and time. And it says set time automatically. Just uncheck that. Set time zone automatically, turn off that. Set time automatically, turn off that as well. And that might solve your problem. And you have successfully disabled the date and time syncing. And finally, what you can do is just open up the start menu. Right here, group policy. You will get this option only if you're using the professional version. Click on that. And here, click on administrative templates, expand this. Click and expand the system now. And here we just want to find local services. Now there are a lot of functions. How will we find it? It's very simple. Just click on anything and press L on your keyboard. Here is the local services. And on the right hand side, we see this option disallow user override of local settings. It's not configured. Just double click on this and click on enabled. Click apply and OK. Just close out of here, restart your system, and you should be good to go. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.